Welcome to etvFutures.com. It's Wednesday, December 26th. I'm Remy Hoagie for Commodities Open Report. NYMEX crude oil futures are rallying for the third straight session, trading above $96 a barrel. In holiday-thin trading conditions, crude futures are higher on speculation that U.S. inventories may have declined for the sixth week. The EIA and API release supply data tomorrow morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. February crude was last up $2.22 at $96.35 a barrel on the NYMEX. Earlier in electronic trade, futures hit a high of $96.54 a barrel. This morning, I'm joined by Mike Fitzpatrick from MF Global. He'll weigh in on inventory and geopolitical concerns lifting crude in today's session.
Good morning, Remy. As you can see, the market has rallied quite sharply, although we are off the day's highs. I think it's a combination of things. The closure on Monday of two important Mexican exporting facilities, the third incursion in as many days over the northern Iraqi border by the Turkish military against the PKK insurgents, and I think this is being exacerbated by some pre-holiday thinness in the market. The military action by the Turks against the Iraq, although it's not directly pointed at any kind of oil installations, does show that the vulnerability of those installations that are in northern Iraq and the possibility that flows may be disrupted because of military activity up there. The Mexican port closures as well, while not that big a deal in and of itself, will show up as in subsequent inventory reports as crude drawdowns. As it is right now, crude is at almost a 3-year low, and we expect another 1.5 million drawdown this week, as well as further drawdown in distillate fuels. But we expect the utilization rates to stay pretty firm at 87.8%, and we expect gasoline to build up a little bit. Movements this week and after up till the New Year's next week shouldn't really be read into too closely. As we said earlier, the volume is a little bit lower during this time of the year, especially today with European markets being closed for Boxing Day, and so even the smallest order can push prices inordinately either up or down. So I do expect next week, though, for speculative interest to return to the markets, and that $100 crude oil not be too far off.
That was Mike Fitzpatrick from MF Global with his energy commentary. And briefly taking a look at precious metals, gold futures are up in the session, nearing $830 an ounce. In today's session, the U.S. dollar is weaker against the euro at a weekly low. Gold futures were last up $11 at $827.50 an ounce on the COMEX division of the NYMEX. And that's it for your Commodities Open Report. I'm Remy Hoagie. Join us after the NYMEX session for your commodities recap right here on etvFutures.com.